Hello, everyone, and welcome to the My Best Divorce Basics Learning Series. My name is Christopher Bruce. I'm a Florida divorce attorney. Today's lesson is learning what is important about the divorce court process and timing. Our objective here is helping you understand really why you need to know about the steps and timing of the divorce court process. I'll tell you a little bit more about an extremely detailed lesson that we have available in the member area at bestdivorce.info, and as a book you can read, and really why you need to read that information or listen to it about the divorce court process and the procedure. So having the best divorce requires you to have an understanding of the process and the timing. Knowing the basics of the divorce court process is important because in order to develop an effective divorce strategy, you need to know what is going to happen and when. Just like with learning the basics of divorce law, you do not have to bother learning most of what your divorce lawyer needs to know to be an attorney. All you need to know are the basics of what will happen in the court system during the different stages of your divorce. You can learn most of what is important about the law and the divorce court process and the different timing matters associated with it in a 1-hour consultation with an attorney. But in the time it takes you to find a good lawyer to sit down with and get over to their office or get them on the phone, you can really figure out most of the basics by just listening to the free Basics of the Divorce Court Process course in your free My Best Divorce Information Library, or reading the free ebook on learning what is important about the divorce court process and timing that you can download in the free member area. The course or the book are free, and they're basically taken out of the book I wrote about all of this. If you didn't know already, I wrote a book called The Best Divorce. It's very detailed, has a lot of great information, and these sections on the divorce court process and the timing is pretty much taken out of that book for you and put for your free perusal and consumption at the bestdivorce.info website in the member area. Eventually, you are going to need to go over the specifics of divorce court procedure and the timing with a lawyer who knows what they're doing in the area where you live and your divorce will take place. But for now, stick to learning the basics. You can do it through the My Best Divorce member library. Everything is there. It's great information. The basics of the divorce court process and timing that are covered there are going to include the divorce lawsuit filing and responses. The initial exchange of financial records will be explained. We'll go through settling your divorce through mediation. What is mediation? I'll talk to you about collaborative divorce. I'll help you understand what the final hearing is in a divorce case if you resolve your case and don't have to go to trial. I'll also talk about some of the things that happen when you don't resolve your case early, what most people do. And those include temporary relief hearings, depositions, trial in a divorce case, as well as a little bit about divorce court appeals. Just as a legal disclaimer, this course is not a substitute for hiring a competent divorce lawyer. You need to consult with a divorce lawyer who knows what they're doing before you take any action. I hate putting these disclaimers up. I think they're obnoxious, but the rules that apply to my profession encourage it, so I'm saying it. Also, you need to understand that this course does not create an attorney-client relationship between yourself and my law firm, nor does being in the My Best Divorce free information library. My name is Christopher Bruce, and you're more than welcome to contact me if you need help with a divorce in the jurisdiction where I'm licensed. But for now, just listening to this course doesn't mean that I'm your attorney. And that's another thing that I have to explain to you, or I'm encouraged to explain to you. Thank you, everybody, for listening. Until the next time, I hope you all are well.